Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I'm here to share with you my current faves for May 2018. So I'm gonna run this like I did my previous one, some beauty, some fashion, and some other things as well. I'm so nervous I got red lipstick on my teeth. If you wanted a tutorial for this, there will be one out probably in a couple of weeks if I'm looking at my schedule. But yeah, I did film it. I tried a whole heap of new makeup, so yeah. Okay, so my favorite base combo that I've been wearing that has been lasting all day at work is the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay Foundation. This is in the shade 21 Nude Beige. And then I have been using the NYX Angel Veil Primer. I love this. I love these two together. Don't get me wrong, I still do get oily, but I wear a sunscreen to work every day. So I've been wearing this La Roche-Posay anti-shine sunscreen to work. So it still does make my skin oily. I find that I don't get as oily if I just wear the La Roche-Posay Effaclar gel moisturizer. But if I wear a sunscreen, I tend to get oily, and this one is great. The coverage is unbelievable. It lasts really, really well. It doesn't tend to transfer unless I'm wearing my glasses. It will transfer where I have my glasses, and the NYX Angel Veil Primer actually helps it last longer. I've tried it with a few different primers, and this one is my favorite that I've used with it. And they're both affordable as well. They're both available at the drugstore or at Priceline, and I wanted to mention that this is what I've been wearing all the time. I do have a couple of shades in this. I have this nude beige, I have ivory, and I have soft bronze. I like having a few shades in a foundation that I wear all the time because my tan does, it has its darker days and then it has its lighter days. So it's good to have a mix for me personally. This is a foundation I will definitely be repurchasing because yeah, it's great. Okay, so my next beauty item is the Nakia Joy Cosmetics. This is the Gabriella Silk 3D Lash. I have worn these 3 or 4 times, I think. So they're a little bit worn and they've got some glitter attached to them. But these lashes are so beautiful. And this lash is perfect for me and my eye shape. Like, I can't wear super dramatic lashes. I put on a pair of Jacobs, was it Angel lashes? And I had to video chat them because honestly, they were huge on me. Oh my God, no. Like, actual no. I just put.
Oh my God, and a fucking angel. See,
I can't.
covering your fucking eye.
I can't. I only just like put them there, and I'm like, I can't.
Fuck. Oh my God.
I can't.
Like, they look good, but they're fucking huge to your eye, though. Like, they look like drag lashes.
No,
on you.
but I can't wear them. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no.
Like,
no, sweetie.
You can give them to me. Thank you.
I don't know what it is. It's not like, I don't feel like I have small eyes, but it's just like big lashes do not suit me. These ones are the perfect size and shape for, events and special occasions and things like that. And I love how like fluttery and fluffy they are as well. Not to mention the packaging is... This is so cute. It's so unique. Like, I have not had a pair of lashes come in this packaging before. So well done, Nakia. I'm so proud of you. So if you haven't checked out the Nakia Joy Cosmetic lashes, highly recommend checking them out. They do wear so many times, and you can just clean them off with micellar water and tweezers to get off the glue. Super easy to clean up, and they come up great. So then you can wear them again. I'm just lazy and I haven't cleaned one yet. So... All right, another product that I actually tried in a recent video. This is the Australis Neutralize eyeshadow palette. I've been using it regularly since I used it in that video, just so you know. I think that this is an amazing thing to hit Priceline. I know I always complain about there not being good eyeshadows in the drugstore or in Priceline, and I know so many of my friends agree. So having this, I feel like Australis have really stepped up their games with their eyeshadows this year. Having those customized these palettes and then this as well, they've really stepped up their game. I do prefer the formula of this eyeshadow compared to their other eyeshadows, the single ones with the customization station palette. These ones are beautiful, especially the shimmers are so pigmented and the mattes work really well as well. Not much fallout and just really easy to blend. And at the price of $24.95, this is honestly If you're just starting out with makeup or you're looking to expand your collection and you don't have a huge budget, this will meet a lot of your needs. I have a new favorite mascara. This is the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. I had never tried a Lancome mascara up until a few months ago when I did a Mecca video with their banana bake, and I used this for the first time there. It is beautiful. You know what I like most about it? I like that it is so light. You won't understand what I mean unless you actually hold it in your hands. But it is such a light and fluffy wand. I find that it's hard to put too much of it on as well. Like, it doesn't go clumpy. It makes my lashes nice and wispy. It lasts long. It isn't as black as I'd like it to be, especially when I'm wearing falsies. But it is such a beautiful formula, lasts all day. It doesn't transfer on me, which is a huge thing because usually I have mascara like up here or down here with new ones that I'm trying out, but it doesn't transfer. I know that this is pricey, but I really do now believe what everyone says about the Lancome mascaras, that they are beautiful, because I actually tried a new one today, the Monsieur Big, and that was actually really beautiful as well. So I'm sorry, but they are worth the hype. Totally worth the hype, in my opinion. I don't know if I mentioned this one previously. This is the Sephora Glide Liner Waterproof. I got this from a Sephora event. It doesn't look like much, but you know what? It doesn't irritate my eyes. For me, most eyeliners that I put on like my tight line up the top here, or like waterline, they irritate the absolute crap out of my eyes, and I end up taking my makeup off, or, you know, I put up with it all day and my eyes are so red and sore, and this doesn't make it like that. This is so underrated. Now, this is called Deep Black. Oh yes, I've got heaps left. That's awesome. I do find that it does still come in the inner corner here, like it groups up here, but I haven't found a liner that doesn't irritate my eyes that stays so well in place, because it still does stay quite well in place throughout the day. But yeah, there's that one. Okay, so something that has, I feel, changed my tanning routine, aka changed my life, is the Bondi Sands Tan Eraser. If you guys tan on the regular and haven't tried this, you need to try it. I know when I first tried it, I didn't like it. You need to leave it on for at least 10 minutes. Well, in my case anyway. So what it is you pump it out. It's just like a white foam. You rub it into your body where you have tan. You just stand there naked for 10 minutes and then you have a shower and you scrub it off. Now, I use an exfoliating mitt to scrub it off, but it makes my tan come off so much easier. Like, honestly, thank you so much, Bondi Sands, for bringing this out. The first 2 bottles that I bought though, the pump, it broke. Like, it just wouldn't pump properly, and I was so annoyed because I'd wasted that money on these ones. But I did buy a new one recently, and I'm just pouring the product into this new bottle, and the pump works great. So I don't know if there was a faulty pump at the start, but they seem to have fixed their issue, thank God. I don't know what more I can say about this, but yeah, if you tan on the regular, you need this in your life. My last beauty favorite is a Too Faced lipstick. Now, this is in the color Strip Search. I did a whole review on the Too Faced It Just Comes Naturally collection, and this was one of the lipsticks that I swatched. So there it is, swatched on the back of my hand. This color is the perfect nude. It is so beautiful, and I love these lipsticks because they feel good as well. They feel nourishing, they feel moisturizing, they're not drying at all, and I love the cream formula. Honestly, they are so beautiful, and the packaging is so unique. I am really a big fan of their packaging. I think it's gorgeous, like with the lace detail on there. But yeah, Strip Search has been my favorite color. I've been wearing it all month. All right, so that's my beauty favorites done. I do have 2 fashion favorites. The first one is this jacket. I know you can't like see it, but anyway, it's a Dottie biker jacket, and it's just like a PU fake leather thing. I've been wearing it non-stop lately. I wore it every single day in Sydney. It goes with so much, and you know what I like about it so much is the sleeve length. It's not too long. I feel like they're meant to be 3/4 sleeves, but they're kind of just like 7/8 on me, so they come to about here. But it's such a nice jacket. It's super comfortable. Yeah, it's perfect for the upcoming season. It isn't super warm, so keep that in mind, but I feel like it's just on trend, and you can usually get these for around $50 to $60 on sale. They come in a range of colors, and I just thought I'd share that with you because I've had so many compliments on it. I love me a good old Dottie jacket. The next fashion favorite that I want to mention is my Fashion Nova jeans. Hashtag Nova Babe. Now these are the classic high waist skinny, I'm pretty sure. They're in a dark blue and I have been wearing these non-stop as well. They are super, super stretchy. I showed them in my most recent Fashion Nova haul and I just love them. They come up high waisted, so above your belly button, which I am a fan of. I do need to wear a belt with them though to make sure that they stay up. I don't know, it's just my body shape that needs a belt, but anyway. They were super long, but I just cut them and I fold them up or wear them with boots. But like, I mean, I haven't done anything. They've just frayed naturally and in the wash, but I can like trim them or whatever because they were too long to be putting into boots and tucking them in and everything like that. Like if I look at my Forever New ones, not too many of them actually have proper hems on them. So that's why I just decided to cut them. These ones are also in a size 9. So the US sizing is a little bit strange. And I did first buy some jeans in an 11 from there, but I find that the 9 fits me pretty well, if you're wondering. And now for some extra favorites. Okay, so TV shows. I've been still watching Real Housewives of the OC. I'm still catching up on their latest season, but I have already binge watched the second season of 13 Reasons Why. And I feel just like, I don't know, I feel like it wasn't as good as what it should have been because they stretched it out to have another season. Do you know what I mean? I feel like there was all this build up for kind of nothing or not much. Yeah, I'm not going to say any spoilers, but was it the last episode? There was a really difficult scene in there, and honestly, like, I know it has the warnings at every episode, but I had been okay with the warnings so far, but that episode needed another warning. And I've seen like a screenshot, like a meme going around saying, guys, no one should have to watch this scene. I'm actually like getting shivers thinking about it. No one should have to watch that scene. Wow, this video just turned so dramatic so quickly. No one should have to watch that scene. I don't know, like for me, it was quite traumatic. I don't know who else can agree with that, but anyway, I'm just putting that out there. So I've binge watched that, and then I was looking for something to watch on Netflix because I watched that the weekend that it came out. And then I was looking through and I'm like, oh, watch this, The Client List. It's got Jennifer Love Hewitt. It is cringe-worthy, like it is so cringe, but I'm nearly finished, yeah, I think I'm nearly finished the second season, and there were only 2 seasons, but I've just been watching it and relaxing kind of thing, so. But Love Island just started, and that's another cringe thing. Why do I love cringe things? Honestly, I don't know what's wrong with me to love all these cringe things, but anyway. So Love Island has had 2 episodes out at this stage, and yeah, I'm addicted. This is the first season for Love Island Australia, so anyway. And then I have been loving Halo Top Ice Cream. I found it really funny that Love Island has taken over the contestants' Instagrams. And I have been loving Halo Top Ice Cream, been obsessed. I have tried the candy bar flavor, love it. And then there's like a cookie dough choc chip flavor as well. Honestly, my mouth. But also I make keto chocolate lava cake. So good. I need to refilm a recipe, so I'm going to do that for you. I don't think I'll have time today, but I will do it very, very soon for you guys because I need to share this recipe with you. And it's so easy, so quick, and it's just like 1 serving. You could make it even into 2 servings, to be honest, because I can't eat the whole thing. It's very decadent. But yeah, let me know if you want to see the recipe because I love it. It literally takes like 5 minutes to make, like 10 minutes in the oven, and it is so delicious. But they're all of the things that I've been loving lately. I know I missed doing a favorites in April, but I think like every 2 months is okay, or if I can and I have time to get a monthly favorites up, I will. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!